So I say welcome to Infinite Trading Method Part 40. And by infinite, I'll show you what I mean. Well, last night we had this trade that the Wi-Fi cut off, so I couldn't have continued trading. But it's currently 9:56 a.m. and we're about to trade, right? So purchase deadline 29 seconds. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to trade. We focus on our both indicators, our RSI and our CCI. If both are under the indicated halfway points, we sell. If both are over the indicated halfway points, we buy. Simple, easy breezy, easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. So here we sell for 2 and we wait. If 2 loses, then we do 4. Right? We're gonna trade for 10 minutes. We could trade for a lot more. We could actually trade for 24 hours, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna trade for 10 minutes, right? Because we understand what this trading method is, and for the video, we might end up trading longer than that, but we set the intention. So, infinite trading method, part 40. It's just greatest trading method on this planet, and currently profits are at 91%, which is absolutely beautiful, which means we make 182. Right, so 456, we lost $6 the last night, which is not a loss absolutely, because we're gonna make back that back in 6 minutes or less. So here we sell again for 2 because both indicators are under the indicated halfway points. And how this trading method works is if that 2 loses, then we can do 4. If 4 loses, then we do 9. If 9 loses, then we do 19. If 19 loses, then we do 41. If 41 loses, then we do 89. We tend to assume that you can just trade it $100, which isn't true at all. You need a substantial amount of money to withstand the markets and withstand what the markets does, right? Infinite trading method. So nice. It's good to lose in this game because it is a fucking numbers game. So we have 4. 4 losers, we would have $1.65 profit, which we are the most amazing species, bro. The universe in ecstatic motion. We are what the universe is. And we do 9. So if 4 loses, we do 9. 4 would give you back enough profit to make back your $2 and more, which is absolutely beautiful. This world is absolutely beautiful. Everything about it, everything it is and everything it could be is just absolutely amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So yes, that's why. So you see that 2-1, and we made back $1.65 profits, which is how this method works. Currently the 15th. We buy here for 2, and we wait. Two lost again. That is good. That is absolutely good. And remember, I bought stocks in one of them parts. This is what my stocks are doing. I just bought stocks. Just buy. You see that? But the ones that win make up for all the losses, which is absolutely amazing. We tend to not have faith in things. So 4 gives you back 365, which is your $2 plus $1.65 profit. If 4 loses, that would be 6, and 9 would give you back about $7 or $8, We will see. Right. My stocks are moving. They're moving, which is good. Sucks that this is practice, though. Doesn't suck. It's absolutely amazing itself. Nice. So yeah, that's another dub. Aha. So we go to 2 and we wait. Would you sell your pessimistic self? Everything is actually going up. Well, so we buy here for 2, we up to 4 and we wait. It's a patience game. If 2 loses, then we do 4. Right? And that's just how the method continues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row. Every minute we make a trade. I think pocket options has it so you can make a trade every 5 seconds, but that is not really fast. If you have enough money, you can do that. I would backtest down a few, but nah. Let's just make some bread off this bitch first, bro. Before we go back testing other websites, other brokers. You feel me? But pocket options is really slick. Put a 10 grand, trade it $1, and you would dominate those markets. Nothing would be able to stop you. Bam, 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 bam. So yeah, we sell here for 4, move to 9, and we wait. I want to have more than 1 losing streak. I want to have like 5, so you understand how this method works, because this method works best when you lose. So you can see 41 and 9 is 50, 60, 75, $77.51, $2.51 profit. You know, the last 5 seconds this was actually up, and I waited like 1 more second to make the trade, and then it switched, and now it switched at the last 5 seconds. That's crazy. So yeah, infinite trading method. So we wait 5 seconds and then we buy. And it's gonna bounce off the top right here and just shoot to the stars. Shoot for the stars, aim for the moon, baby. If 9 loses, then we do 19. So on and so forth, sir. Alright, 9. Let's go. Let's go, fam. We sell here for 6 because I mean it's down, everything is down, so why would I think it's going to bounce off, even though it oversold here and it oversold here, which technically is an indicator that it's going up. We never really know. So how about we do 19 for a sell, and if 19 loses, then we do 41, right? We often tend to think that life is against us, in that when we start working at life to win, to make more, we end up losing. And we often think that, oh, that's such a bad thing. Life hates me, bro. But that's not the truth at all. Life doesn't hate you. It's 10-10. Life does not hate you. It's going to throw the hardships at you. It's going to throw the losses. And as long as you're capable of sticking through those losses, as long as you're the type of person who doesn't give up, nothing can stop you, my friend. So 19 and 1 is 20 yen. 34. This gives you back 37. So 4 and 3, so $3.38. 10, 10, 37, 37. Yeah? Isn't it beautiful, bro? Absolutely beautiful. Shoot for the stars. Aim for the moon. Yeah. Yeah. Seven, 6, 5. We buy here for 2. And ultimately, when you win, you just go back to 2. It's that simple, that easy, that breezy, that beautiful, and it's cover girl. I should stop saying that. It's very simple, bro. Nineteen, 19, 19, 19. Uh, what? 1, 9, 1, 9. So yeah, 2, 1. We go back to 2 and we trade again. You know what? This has been Infinite Traded Method Part 40. You know, we're 10 parts away from the half a century. So, it's good. It's really fucking good. This traded method is the best. I showed you 40 parts of the same thing over and over again. And you're like, how the hell did you solve this? Well, I did. I did. And nothing's stopping me. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Everything is possible in this world. And when somebody says it's not possible, tell them that they're wrong. You're going to change things. And I'm the one who's going to change things. If you're afraid, I'm not. If you aren't willing to push yourself beyond that point, I'm not. I'm not. You're gonna keep showing up every single day. Every single day, you're gonna see me. You're gonna hear me. I'm not gonna stop. I'm never going to stop. I am Shamoy Foy, signing out. Peace.